We've got some noise makers. Hey, Alan, you want to grab one of those noise makers over there and make some noise with it? There you go. Beautiful. Gotta love that. That's beautiful. Yeah, let's try these other. Blow into one of those other deals right there. There's one of the bigger ones. Okay. Ready? Nice. Do the little one.
That's some of our clients going on checking out video clips on our site, so we're uploading things that are interesting, and we're all coming and checking out.
You could actually do a B flat too and have a nice little harmony thing going there. Beautiful. Perfect pitch. Alright, here we are. We're back at the expo on Thursday. We're going to be here for several hours today, and we'll be posting more videos. Check it later.